Hey guys, how's it going? So today I wanted to share with you a quick and easy tutorial using Papercrete. This is perfect for beginners. If you've never worked with Papercrete before, this is a great way to get your feet wet. And it's also a great project if you have any leftover Papercrete from a larger project you may be working on. If you just have a few handfuls left, then you can make some of these small fake rocks for your garden. So the first thing you're going to want to do is mix up your Papercrete, and I'm just using this little salsa container as my measurement. And the first ingredient is paper pulp. Now I use cardboard to make this paper pulp. You can also use newspaper or any junk mail or any shredded paper that you might have. I will leave a link down below on how to make paper pulp. So it's 3 parts paper pulp, 2 parts Portland cement, and then traditionally you would use perlite, but I like to use sand. So either sand or perlite, 1 part of that. So once you have all your ingredients in your bowl, you're going to want to mix that up really well, because you want to make sure all of those paper pieces are covered with the cement and you don't want any big chunks of paper. So this is the texture that you're looking for in your Papercrete. You don't want it to be too wet, you want it to be more like a clay that will hold its shape. And so with these rocks, they're really fun because it's totally freeform. You can make them look however you want. If they're too uniform, I don't think they look very natural. So just making them look as natural and realistic as possible. And then you will see later on that I also made a heart shape out of some of the leftover Papercrete just as an experiment, and I think it turned out really well, and it would be a cute little decoration for the garden that you can paint and so on. So anyway, I'll let you watch me shaping these rocks. So once I was finished shaping my rocks, I covered them with a plastic bag, and I covered them for about 2 days, and then I uncovered them and let them dry. And as you can see here, they are a much lighter gray color, and they're just about dry. So they were very easy to pop off of the parchment paper that I put down. And all I had to do was take off some of the little extra bits on the edges and just clean them up a little bit, and they're ready for the garden. I decided to stage them right next to my pond. You can see my goldfish in the background there, and I think incorporated with other rocks, they look really nice and lovely. I'm happy with them, and this could be something that you can make smaller rocks if you want to make like a top dressing for a potted plant. There's so many creative ways you can use Papercrete. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. I post videos every week. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.